It is springtime, and today you have the lucky opportunity for myself and backwards hat Carlos to... What's wrong with you? Huh? What? I said, what's wrong with you? Where's your hat? I don't really feel like doing it today. Can you sub in for me? Well, yeah, but you're gonna miss out on talking about more wild spring items. Yeah, I'm fine. Sure? I'm gonna try to find my hat and get some sleep. You'll be okay. Somebody's having a bad day. Hey, but have no fear. I got you covered. Fiddlehead Ferns and ramps.
Love you.
I'm Carlos Nino with Chef's Produce, and this is our weekly market update for next week, April the 12th, 2021. A couple of brand new items that just came in last week. So no time to waste, let's jump right into it. It never fails during the springtime that we always get asked,
excuse me, where are your ramps and fiddleheads?
and we tell them, hey, calm down, they're coming. Ramps and fiddleheads, they're here, and they arrived last week. But just like green garlic, gold nugget mandarins, these items are only available for a short period of time. So let's dive right in. Now let's start with ramps. Ramps are one of the earliest wild pick edibles that comes into market. Now when you look at them, they look like a spring onion. And this little known veggie is known for its garlicky onion flavor. Garlicky onion flavor. This vegetable is known for its garlicky onion flavor. Man, I'm just gonna move on. Also, it's packed with vitamin C. These are available for just a short period of time. Make sure you get with your sales representative or customer service representative to get one on your next truck. Probably in about 2 to 3 weeks, they'll be gone. Next up are the Fiddlehead Fern. Fiddlehead Ferns are available in a 5-pound pack. You can break it down and get it by the pound, but let's take a couple out so you can see what they look like.
Why are they called fiddleheads? I don't get it.
Do you really not get it? It's pretty simple, huh? The fiddlehead fern looks like the head of a fiddle, but it doesn't grow like that to maturity. It's actually picked at that stage before the fawn actually grows to 100%. If you left them, they turn into more of a leaf. The flavor is more of a grassy, something of a cross between spinach and asparagus, similar to the morel, which we haven't covered, but one day we will. Fiddleheads have their fans, highly sought after by chefs. This is a great ingredient you can include in your spring pasta dish. Thank you so much for joining us on our weekly market update. We post these videos every Thursday night. Don't forget, you can reach out to your sales representative or customer service representative to ask about these items and put them on your next delivery. You can find us on any of our social media platforms, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and even LinkedIn. Thank you very much, and we'll see you next week.